Hello, good afternoon. It is Saturday afternoon and I've just had a delivery from a well-known charity that does bags of jewellery on the eBay. I haven't bought anything from them for a few weeks, so I figured, well, might as well. A bit bored, like. One of them, that feels like there's some bangles. There's always bangles in them. Let's hope there's some littles, because I do like the littles. And obviously, you know, for the silver and gold would be nice, but we don't expect anything from the charity bags. But you never know. You never know. That's quite groovy. Like a nice collar length necklace. That's quite possibly silver plated. Quite unusual. That might be something I'd sell actually, just because I quite like its kind of Cleopatra-esque vibe to it. That's quite a groovy one. It's not silver or anything, but kind of cool bangle, but it'll be going in 2 kilos. As with all these shells. And that'll go into a pearly lot. That's quite pretty, isn't it? Don't think it's silver, but it's got a little bit of wear, but the beads on the bracelet are quite nice. We'll get these bangles in there. Oh, it's another one of them, so there's a matching pair. That's cool. And then there's some of these stretchy shell ones. Oh, shame that's broken right across there. Okay, oh well. So that is going in a broken lot. Take that earring out. And another one of them bangles. So there is a proper little set going on there. That's cool. Fellowship of Christian Farmers International. Oh, okay. Oh, so like a little handmade band thing. Ah, so it all means that. Right, so I'm going to put that in a little like Christian kind of lot. So that's cool. That's got a little mark on the a little vintage watch. What do you say? Buren, is it? Yeah, B-U-R-E-N. Swiss made. Might be worth looking it up. It's kind of cool. If not, it'll go into a watches lot. Ah, a weird little pin badge made from metal. I'll put that in a brooches lot. That's a bit of an odd one, isn't it? Kind of cool. Are you silver? That's marked silver, but the lobster clasp isn't. And that's not marked, but it's got pretty little flowers in it, like under the resin. I'll test the necklace on that one, see if it's silver. The little pendant's nice, so I'll probably sell that anyway, because it's kind of cute. Another little stretch. There's some nice earrings. Pretty sparkles on them. They'll go in 2 kilo. Some pearls. Yeah, we get all these bangles. That's a cool one. Like a gunmetal sort of colour. A goldy one. A couple of silvery ones. That one look like it might be silver, possibly. Can't see any marks, and there is a seam now, probably not. Never mind. Never mind. Right, that's probably a full bag there. I need a bag. Here we go. It's another bag. It's okay. Some more piles. Another one. That's a hair thing, isn't it? Stretchy, stretchy hair thing. Only broken. Big chunky purple beaded necklace. And then what's all that about? Oh, it's 2 of them together. That's quite cool. Like, I like the beads on that one. They're almost like a little sort of logo on there, but it's a bit outstretched, so it goes in broken. Bit of cardboard. Stretchy bracelets. Now we've got a bee. A little bit of gold flake in it by the looks of it. And like some rosemary maybe. That'll go into a keyring slot. The obligatory hematite beaded necklace or bracelet, because you can like wrap them round. Got an M. Oh, little shamrock. That's cute. And that'll go with the pins. That's one of them scarfy things, isn't it? You can wrap through. That's by Next. Nice colour red there, little red dome. And that's some nice beads as well. Faux pearl, maybe hematite. Maybe the little beads are silver. They put £5 on that. It's quite nice, got some weight to it. They look like Tibetan silver, the beads. Would I sell that? Probably not. It'll go in 2 kilos. Spider-Man key ring, the amazing Spider-Man. Oh, it looks like it might have been a photo frame or something. That'll go in a keyring slot. So will that. Rude fishy boobies. Very strange. What's going on here? Some weird multi-strand, is it? Is it broken? Yes, it's missing the clasp off it. Never mind. Right, it goes in there. That's quite pretty. A little bit of vintage. Or paste. A little faux pearl. It's a little bit like the pearl is coming off there. So I'll put that into a vintage broken lot. Someone might just want to replace the pearl on it. Oh, we got like a little, it's like a little Christmas decoration, an angel, but I'll put that in with like Christianity bit lot. A couple of bracelets here, that one from Accessorize. Very odd copper ring there with a couple of wooden beads on there. I'll put that into a ring slot. Cute little pendant, looks a bit Etruscan. Don't think it's a precious metal, but that'll go into a little beady lot as well. Got some odd earrings coming up. God, that is an odd earring, look at that. Right, that looks like it might be a bit of silver chain that's wrapped up in there, perhaps. Hard to tell. No, put that in craft a lot, as with that, because that's going to fall apart any second. And that one's quite outstretched and it's missing bits. I've got a bit of like Indian wedding jewellery, Bollywood jewellery. I think I've got one of those on the go at the moment, so I can put that aside, and that looks like it's part of it as well. So that's cool. Hopefully we'll have a whole set that might be earrings in there as well. Another keyring by the looks of it. So we're doing well for keyrings if we wanted those. I'll start off another plastic beady lot, like good for kiddies dress up. I've sold 2 of them in the last week. Not for much, they don't go for loads, but you know. I've got a little carousel horse pendant. That's quite a cool one. Is that a new with tags? Attached to something else. Yeah, that's quite unusual, isn't it? With a wooden inlay. And I'll pop that in 2 kilos. Got this. Is it trying to be silver maybe? Don't know. I might test it, see if it is. You never know. Like I said, I don't expect to find any silver or gold in here, but it would be nice if there's a little bit. They'll go in 2 kilos. You know, just a bit to wet the whistle like. Has that got all its stones? Looks like. That's a little bit of silver maybe. Oh no, it's silver plated. Shame. Pretty earring otherwise. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's part of something. That pendant, part of a bigger thing. Oh well. Cute little heart. Broken. Let's get all these little bits. I could start a new, what are these called? European charm bracelet lot as well. Just check to see if any of them are silver. Can't see any markings. Nope. You all know that if it says ALE on it, that's probably Pandora. I say probably, it's not always guaranteed. Yeah, no marks, but I can put that into a European charms lot. They kind of sell all right. That's one of them glasses ones. Got some vintage beads there. I'll put that into a vintage lot. Nice glass pendant, like fused glass, going in 2 kilos. Very unusual one. Statement necklace, but some of the materials coming off there. Oh, another one for the European charms. A couple of these marked 925. Whether they are is a different story. Little set of stretchy bracelets. There's a lot of little bracelets. Oh, that's pretty with a little green stone. Bracelets, bangles and bracelets. You anything? No. Shame, that would have been lovely if it was silver. That looks like it might be silver. Dower and Hall. Oh yeah, that's a good sign. That is a good sign. That, quite possibly silver. And a good name, Dower and Hall. Little bow, it's a cute earring. Broken. We've got a little sparkly pair there, disco balls. And just the end of a necklace. Pendant, can go in a pendant slot. Oh, little opal triplet, but it's gold plated, it's not gold, that's a shame. Some weirdy little bits. Another bit of chain. And then who are you signed by? Monet, Napier. Signed Napier. So that would be something I'd sell as well. This like panther brick link type of necklace over there. Something to sell. And then I'll get rid of all of these bits. Oh, looks like a little Christmas bauble. And there's a pair there. There we go. Okay, so not amazing, but it's not awful. We've got a couple of things to sell, a couple of things to job lot. There we go. Right. And a potential bit of silver. You never know. Oh God, more bangles. They do get so many bangles. But there we are. What do you say? I have no idea. Oh, okay. So that'll be another one for the little Christian knot once I can. Okay, there's a little tangle. I'll come back to that. Right, stretchy. Oh, there is a lot of bangles. I'll put that one in. Broken. That one's a bit rusty. Paparazzi, broken earrings. Paparazzi, an American brand, I know that. quite cute. The little dangles, probably magnetic, yep. Can like wrap around twice. And then more wrap ones. And there's going to be a lot of bracelets in this one. That one's pretending to be silver, but it's not. I'll have to remember on the listing for this job lot that it is mostly bangles. Big chunkies. Some faux pearls to go in the pearly lot. It's quite nice beads on that one. It's glass. Different shapes. Quite pretty. Pop these in. Some Georgia Asda earrings. Oh, they're rather crazy, aren't they? I thought they were bangles there for a minute. Tiny little bangles. These are like the wedding ones as well. Bollywood ones. So I might as well put them in there. Little kiddies ones. A little rubber camera. Whoa. Ah, that's cute. I don't know what it's for. I'll put that in with the crafter stuff. Kind of fun. The magnetic bit. This bit looks unusual. What are you all about? I quite like that. With the gems. And then this like snake skin. It's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? That's something I might sell in my shop. I quite like that. A little pendant. That looks like it might want to be silver. Oh, it's a little crown. That's cute. I'll test these bits for silver. I don't think, no, that says Sarah Coventry on it. But the little charm bit might be silver. We shall see. Nice glass beads. Dyed shell. That's, oh yeah, that's going to fall apart, isn't it? Oh, got nice little malachite stones on there and a bit of crystal. Quite pretty, but that's going in there too. There's a lot of bracelets. Oh, that one's broken. That's going in there. Get some more stretchies in there. Some people really do love stretchy bracelets. I'm not a fan. There we go. That's cool with a bit of turquoise in there, but it's broken there. That's a shame. Right, you let go there. Are you a bit of silver? That might be silver. Oh, hold on. It's the door. I'll be back.
Hello. Excuse me, speaking for the line. There we go. Can I please have your name?
Yes, that's all right.
Say again?
That's all
Yes,
right.
thank you.
Thank you. Do excuse me, that was my delivery of special bread. I didn't stop filming because then I'll be like, oh god, I've got to edit it after. I know, terribly lazy, isn't it? Right, what's happening here? I might come back to that bit. Now we've got, yeah, weren't we finding a silver earring? That was potentially a silver earring there. Don't think that is. Bit of what looks like coconut shell, perhaps. And oh, that's a mad one, isn't it? What does that say? Calypso Studio clay beads. Well, there we go. Some newer tags. Statement necklace. Statement. Everyone wants to make statements by wearing a big necklace. It's quite nice with the like Murano style beads. Let's see if we can get that one out. Yep, that goes in there. And 2 kilos. And we got some memory wire. And then this little bit of mother of pearl. And then that bit looks like it's broken. So get that off there. Pop that in broken. And some cute little earrings. And that nice little heart that looks like a bit of a center of a shell. Some Primark earrings that are caught up, but there's some cool hoops and stars on there. A little broken, is it broken? Oh no, it's not. But anyway, that can go in craft a lot. It's a hair swivel going through there. That's a couple of necklaces there, beaded ones. Oh, that's gonna fall apart any second as well. That goes in craft. That looked more like a belt then, but no, I don't think so. And what about here? Is there anything worth looking at? What does that say there? It says NR. I don't think that, I mean, I think that is a maker, but I don't think it's thing. And is that the same as that? Maybe. Maybe. But anyways, that all goes in there. It's not for me. Not for me. That's quite cute with a little heart and a cross, but that's definitely gonna stretch out. And we've got one made from all zip tags. That can all go in there as well. That's a lovely bit of glass, that. Nice, nice. That's probably a bit of silver bead on there. I've got a little 4-leaf clover pendant. That's cute. Right, did we want to come back to this one and untangle it? I don't think I see anything that I want from it. Unless this is a thing that I can get out. That might be silver. You might have like a little bit of native in here, but it looks like it might be a 2-strander. Oh, right, I'm going to put that aside because I don't want to do it now because I'm already sick of it, so I'll come back. That's quite pretty with the little enamel apple on it, so I'll try and get that one out because that can go into a vintage lot, and the rest will go in 2 kilos. Right, you let go there, because I only want this one. I only want an apple. Scissors. Scissors are good. Oh no, did I just break that? Okay, we'll just have the pendant then. There's also this little Maltese cross. Looks like stainless steel. No other marks. And nothing on the lobster clasp. Yeah, you can have that one. All of that, all of it going in 2 kilos. Someone else to have fun with. Somewhat look like faux pills, and then this bloody hair things. Honestly, these shouldn't be allowed. Couple of cute necklaces. Nice little cross there. Some glass beads. And then we've got a little bit of a rosary, it looks like. Or is it all part of one? Oh, I see. Okay, it's all part of the same necklace. That's unusual. Looks like it might be from Spain. knots all chasing each other. Yeah. Unusual, but there's some outstretched. And then that's caught around there. Get off. Can you hear Tilda going, I want to play. She always wants to play. Broken. All these solo bits. That's possibly silver, but it's broken. What are you? Megan. Oh, that's cute. And a little bit of mother of pearl. Broken. That goes in 2 kilos. Oh, little Murano style turtle. That goes in 2 kilos. Little brokeny bits. What on earth is that? No idea. But he's trying to be a designer kind of look. Right. Let's get back to this because I'm sure that we have got something worth getting out of there. It's just in a right tangle. Come on. It's this chunky one in the middle with all these beads and bits on that is causing it, because all of the chains have gone around the beads. Okay. And there's nothing else that I can undo, really. You just got to keep unhooking. Oh no, there's something I can undo there. What are you? Just got an M in a heart. Don't know what that means. See if we can loosen some. What are you caught around in there? Right, that's that sort of out of there-ish. Kind of needs to go through here though. And around and back through. I'm sure this is threading, isn't it? I mean, I may just end up cutting some stuff. I just want that, I think. Oh, I don't know if I can be bothered. I don't even know if it's silver. Shall I just give it a test now? I shall give it a test. See, it has got a bit of turquoise and stuff on it. And a little fetish. It is worth it. It is worth untangling. That doesn't look like silver. No, it's not silver. I'm not going to untangle that. They can just have all of that. Apart from, I'll take that bit out. The little Virgin Mary. But all the rest, they can sit and untangle that themselves. I don't wanna. Right, so we were gonna test these little bits over here. Oh, it's a weird pendant. I'll go in pendant slot. Okay. Not silver. Let's see if the chain That's possibly silver, the actual chain. Nope. It says 925, but it is not silver. The liars. Okay, so this is a Sarah Coventry chain. There's a little chain on crown on the end, so we're hoping that that's silver. Odd earring isn't silver. And then we had this weirdy one too. Nope, not silver. And then this chain. Not silver. Has got, no, I believe it. It's not a precious metal. And then this Dower and Hall one. Right. So the little crown is silver and the Dower and Hall is silver. Okay, so I will take that off the Sarah Coventry chain, because I don't think the Sarah Coventry chain is silver, so that'll go into a vintage lot, which is there. But I've got a little chain to sell, and then the Dower and Hall bracelet. So not a huge amount, but I mean, I'm all right. I think I paid, what was it, £44. I'll get money back. It's okay. It's just not tremendously exciting. Right, if there's anything that you see in here that you fancy, do let me know. Email address in the description box underneath this video. Send me a message and let me know what you're after. Cheers, till next time. Bye bye now. Bye bye.